Rebuilding confidence after failure. Failure is a universal experience, touching every aspect of life, from career missteps to personal relationships. While failure can shake our self-confidence, it also offers an invaluable opportunity for growth. Rebuilding confidence after a failure requires resilience, self-reflection, and actionable strategies. This guide explores the emotional toll of failure, its hidden benefits, and practical steps to restore and strengthen your confidence. Understanding the impact of failure on confidence. Failure often brings feelings of inadequacy, disappointment, and self-doubt. These emotions can erode confidence, making it difficult to trust our abilities or take future risks. It's crucial to acknowledge these feelings as a natural response to failure. However, dwelling on them can create a cycle of negativity that prevents growth. Common reactions to failure. 1. Self-criticism. Harsh self-judgment can magnify failure and lead to feelings of unworthiness. 2. Fear of trying again. The fear of repeating past mistakes can make us hesitant to take risks or pursue new opportunities. 3. Comparison with others. Seeing others succeed where we failed can exacerbate feelings of inadequacy. Rebuilding confidence begins with recognizing that failure is a stepping stone, not a dead end. The hidden benefits of failure. While failure can feel devastating, it offers hidden benefits that can strengthen your confidence. 1. Learning opportunities. Failure teaches us valuable lessons about what works and what doesn't. These insights help us refine our strategies for the future. 2. Resilience building. Overcoming failure develops mental toughness, enabling us to handle future challenges more easily. 3. Clarifying goals. Failures can reveal misaligned priorities, helping us focus on what truly matters. 4. Inspiration for growth. Failure pushes us out of our comfort zones, encouraging personal and professional development. Recognizing these benefits allows us to view failure as a stepping stone to success rather than a permanent setback. Steps to rebuild confidence after failure. Rebuilding confidence after failure is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Acknowledge and accept the failure. Reflect on what happened. Take time to understand the failure without blaming yourself excessively. What went wrong and why? Accept your emotions. Allow yourself to feel disappointment, frustration, or sadness. Suppressing emotions can hinder the healing process. Avoid self-blame. Recognize that failure is often the result of multiple factors, not just your actions. 2. Shift your perspective. Reframe failure as feedback instead of viewing failure as a personal flaw. See it as constructive feedback. Focus on growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Growth-oriented thinking fosters confidence and resilience. Appreciate effort. Celebrate the courage to try, even if the outcome wasn't what you hoped for. 3. Set realistic goals. Start small. Rebuilding confidence starts with achieving small, manageable goals. Each success, no matter how minor, reinforces your self-belief. Break goals into steps. Large goals can feel overwhelming, so divide them into smaller, actionable steps. Track progress. Keep a journal or checklist to track achievements and remind yourself of your growth. 4. Practice self-compassion. Act kindly to yourself. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and encouraging words. Forgive yourself. Let go of guilt or regret associated with the failure. Mistakes are part of being human. Prioritize self-care. Engage in activities that nourish your physical and emotional well-being, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. 5. Build new skills and knowledge. Learn from the experience. Identify areas for improvement and take steps to address them, such as enrolling in a course or seeking mentorship. Expand your comfort zone. Trying new activities can help you rediscover your abilities and rebuild confidence. Celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate each step forward, no matter how small. 6. Seek support. Lean on trusted people. Share your feelings and experiences with friends, family, or mentors who can offer encouragement and perspective. Join supportive communities. Connect with groups or networks with similar challenges and goals. Consider professional help. A therapist or coach can provide valuable tools and strategies for rebuilding confidence. 7. Take action despite fear. Embrace courage over perfection. Confidence grows through action. Take small steps toward your goals, even if you feel uncertain. Redefine success. Focus on the effort and progress rather than the outcome. Persist through setbacks. Understand that rebuilding confidence is not linear. There may be setbacks along the way, but persistence is key. Building long-term confidence. To sustain confidence, it's important to cultivate habits that reinforce your self-belief over time. 1. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. View failures as temporary and insurmountable. 2. Practice gratitude or reflect on what you're grateful for, including your strengths, achievements, and support system. Gratitude fosters a positive outlook and reinforces confidence. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Avoid toxic relationships or environments that undermine your confidence. 4. Maintain a healthy routine. Exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep boost energy levels and improve mental clarity, contributing to confidence. 5. Visualize success. Picture yourself succeeding in your goals. Visualization reinforces belief in your abilities and motivates action. Real-life examples of rebuilding confidence. 1. Michael Jordan, considered one of the greatest basketball players, was famously cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of giving up, he used the setback to fuel his determination and work ethic. Lesson: failure can ignite the drive to achieve greatness. 2. Sara, founder of Spanx, faced countless rejections while pitching her product. Her persistence and ability to learn from rejection helped her build a billion-dollar brand. Lesson: belief in your vision and learning from setbacks are key to success. 3. Walt Disney. Before creating his iconic brand, Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper job for lacking creativity. He went on to revolutionize the entertainment industry. Lesson: resilience and vision can transform failure into monumental success. Overcoming common barriers to confidence after failure. 1. Fear of judgment. Recognize that most people focus on their own lives and are unlikely to dwell on your failure. Shift your focus from external validation to internal growth. 2. Imposter syndrome. Remind yourself of your achievements and skills. Practice self-affirmation to combat feelings of inadequacy. 3. Comparison with others. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone's path is unique. Focus on your progress and personal goals. 4. Perfectionism. That perfection is unattainable. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Key takeaways. 1. Failure is not the end, it's an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. 2. Confidence is rebuilt through reflection, self-compassion, and consistent action. 3. Surrounding yourself with supportive people and environments fosters positive growth. 4. Real-life stories of successful individuals demonstrate that failure is a stepping stone to success. 5. Sustained confidence comes from cultivating healthy habits, embracing a growth mindset, and celebrating progress. Conclusion: rebuilding confidence after failure is a transformative journey. It challenges you to reflect on your strengths, learn from mistakes, and take action despite fear or uncertainty. While the process may be slow and challenging, it ultimately leads to personal growth and resilience. By embracing failure as a natural part of life and committing to self-improvement, you can emerge more muscular, confident, and ready to tackle new challenges with determination and optimism. Remember, failure doesn't define you, your response to it does.